You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly and clarify the pronunciation. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, more correct pronunciation, stay tuned. There are more videos for you coming up. Geography, that's your British English pronunciation. The American pronunciation is more as geography, alright? So let's break it down. Geography. Stress on the O syllable. Geography, that's your British English pronunciation. The Americans say it more with an ah sound, a bit more open. Geography, alright? But it's similar pronunciation. Geography or geography. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.